a song that we're singing. Come on, get happy.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to Kraft Time with Kris.
And Lainey.
We have Lainey here today, but she is overwhelmed.
In the midst of finals.
Yeah, with her schoolwork. So we have made the decision that today's show will be the last one for a week till we can give her time to get all of her projects done for her classes. So when we come back, it will be May 4th, and we will have a Mother's Day project. We will squeeze in a Father's Day project and some other fun things. And our show will go until school is out. So I think that's sometime early May. So anyway, today's project is not really a project. Tell us what we're gonna do.
We're making a mug cake in the microwave.
Yes.
I make these all the time. We know when I want a snack, but you know, it takes a long time to make a real cake in the oven. So I've tried a whole bunch of recipes, and this one's my very favorite. It's molten lava chocolate mug cake. It's got melted chocolate in the middle.
It does. And we made them last night.
They're very good.
And they were very good. So we will give you the recipe. All right, we're back. So I hope you try this mug cake. You wouldn't eat them every day because they're kind of
Rich.
But we put some Cool Whip on ours, and it was very tasty.
Very good.
Very tasty. Something that kids can do. But we caution you, they are very hot.
They're very
when they
hot. You
come
have to
out.
let them sit for like 5 minutes so that they
Yes.
cool down, or you'll burn your mouth.
Right. Don't do that. All right. So we hope you have fun with the mug cake. We will see you back on May 4th. Bye.
Whenever we're together, we get a happy feeling when we're singing a song. Traveling along, there's a song that we're singing. Come on, get